तो क्या आप भी इंडिया के टॉप एमबीए कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं? क्या आप भी कैट और जैट एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं? सो देन दिस वीडियो इज जस्ट फॉर यू. So hi, I'm Harshita. Welcome back to MBAuniverse.com, the India's #1 MBA portal. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before we begin, here are a few important XAT 2027 updates. So XAT 2027 registration is now open and the exam will be held on January 3. So the application fees is 2300 and the exam will be conducted across 110 plus test cities. So if you registered during week 1 July 15 to 21, you will get exclusive access to the XAT decision making live lab with XAT toppers. Now let's start filling out the XAT 2027 application form step by step. So first visit the official XAT website xatonline.in. Once the website opens, you will see the registration page. This is where your registration process begins. And if you see on the left hand side of the screen, here you can enter your basic details such as your name, email ID, mobile number, and other required information. And make sure that every detail you enter is accurate because the same information will be used throughout your application process. Once you have filled in all the required details carefully, click on the submit button. After clicking submit, you will see a confirmation message on your screen stating that your registration has been initiated successfully. At that same time, you will receive a confirmation email on your registered email address. So now let's open the registered email account. So this email contains your user ID and temporary password. These login credentials are very important. Now return to the official XAT website and click on the login button. Enter your user ID, password, and then click on login. Once you log in successfully, the XAT dashboard will appear on your screen. So on the dashboard, you will find the start your application option here and click on it. Next, click on apply now. And that's it. Your XAT application form is now open. The first section is personal details, as you can see. Here you will need to enter your personal information, including your name, birth, gender, nationality, and any other information requested in the form. Here's an important tip. All the fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. So instead of rushing through the form, take your time, review every details carefully, and then click on save and continue. Now let's move on the next section of the application form. So now you will see the parental details section. In this section, you need to carefully enter your parents' information. Once you have sure that everything is correct, click on save and continue. Now let's move to the next section of the application form. Now we reach the academic details sections. Here you will need to enter information related to your educational qualification. Next, you will need to fill in your class 12th or equivalent details, same as that. After you are confident that all the information is accurate, click on save and continue and proceed to the next section of the application form. So here you will need to enter your graduation details, such as your degree name, courses, university, year of passing, and percentages or CGPA. And next you will see the post graduation detail. After completing this, so let's move to the next section. Here you can fill a work experience. So if you wish to apply for at XLRI, so carefully review the list of available programs and choose the ones that best match your eligibility and career goals. And before making your selection, it always a good idea to check the eligibility criteria and program requirements to ensure you're applying for the right program.
Once you have completed both the work experience and program details section, so now we reached another very important section of the application form, test city preferences. Here you will need to select your preferred XAT exam cities. The application form will be display a list of available test cities from which you can choose your preferred locations. So while selecting your test city, choose your preferences carefully based on your locations and travel convenience. Once you have verified all the details, click on next to move to the next section of the application form. So let's start with your upload document section. You will need to upload your recent passport size photograph and signature. Once you have done, then next you comes to the declaration section here. And that's it. Once you have completed these steps, your XAT application form will be successfully submitted. And see, here is the option of application fee. So you can click here. You will see the pay now option. Click on it. Pay your application fee online. You can choose from UPI payment or any of the available online payment.
And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you have any questions, any doubts while filling out the application form, so let me know in the comments. And for more latest updates, so don't forget to follow mbauniverse.com. And thanks for watching this video. So all the best XAT aspirants, and see you in the next video.